Hi, I'm Craig from Jayco Caravanland, and I'd like to introduce you to the Discovery Outback. This is a 1961-2 couples model. The Discovery came out in 2025 to celebrate Jayco's 50th anniversary. Let me show you around the van. Here we are at the front of the van. This particular van has been fitted with the DO35 hitch, which also includes the pin for the tow vehicle. It's got a breakaway system on it, so if the caravan and the tow vehicle were to separate, it applies the brakes in the van, and electronic stability control. So if the van was to build up a sway, it'll apply the brakes and bring it straight back into line. You've also got an extended A-frame, 2 gas bottles, and a front window. Here we have a tunnel boot. Now normally this would be empty. In this particular van, it's been optioned up with a slide-out kitchen, which gives us a sink, a working area, and a 2-burner. Also down here, we've got gas bayonet, and we also have drop-down legs. Further along, we have a picnic table. We've got a 12-volt point, a 240-volt point when we're on mains power, and a TV antenna point coming out. Here we are at the back of the van, and so we've got our door, which actually splits open, so you've got a fly screen as well. Put the two together. Got a pull-out step, so all the full height Jayco Discoveries have got that in the Outbacks. Then we have a grab handle with a light in it. We have an electric awning. These will make your life easier. There is actually a free app that goes with this. The awning is adjustable. You can put it away with a press of a button. So easy to use. At the back of the van, we also have a reverse camera, which is Bluetooth, so we provide a screen for you. This particular van's been optioned up with a bike rack on it, and a standard inclusion is also the bump bar. We're now on the off side of the van. So we've got the other side of the tunnel boot. We have our continuous gas hot water system, so you won't run out of hot water at all with this. We've got a ball valve tap, so washing your feet, maybe washing a pan out. An Offside Anderson plug, so you can plug in a solar blanket. Particularly if you've got the van sitting in the shade, you still want to be able to power it up. If you're free camping, so you can pop that solar blanket out in the sun. The battery box is down here. Aluminium checker plate for the Outback models. We've got the 15 amp lead going in, RCD. We have a hatch to be able to service the fridge without having to pull the fridge out. And back here, our toilet cassette. And just here, we actually have a point to be able to run a Starlink Mini. Now we're inside of the van. Being a full height van, we have the added advantage of the extra storage, our thermal stability, and also sound. So it reduces it, whether it be the noise from the outside or noise that you're making inside. It just makes it all so much quieter. We've got cafe seating here. Standard inclusion is a tri-fold table. All of the windows have got fly screens on them and blockouts. As we make our way up at the van, we've got a gas smoke detector. This particular van's been fitted up with a couple of optional fans, reverse cycle air conditioning. We have a skylight at the top here with a blockout and a fly screen on it. This van also has reading lights in it with USB chargers in the base of them. You've got storage pockets, hanging space. We have a Cloud9 mattress here. These are so comfortable to sleep on, you won't believe it. Underneath here, we have a storage area. So the jack is actually stored in here to give us plenty of room in the tunnel boot for long items. We also have an access point to the back of the hot water service and the water pump. Here we are on the other side of the van. It actually comes with a 27-inch 12-volt TV with a 240-volt adapter. We've got a microwave oven. All our drawers are on ball bearings, so nice smooth runners. Water filter. We've got a cutting board with a drip tray included. Mixer tap. 4-burner gas, and also a gas oven. Able to have fresh scones out on the road. We have a range hood and a light. Also, for the kitchen cupboards, for the fascias, we get a couple of colour options. So we can have just the brawn, we can have a colour called reed green or Oxford blue. Over here, we've got the very popular pull-out pantry. We've got a stereo up here, control panel. So this allows us to turn the van on and off, check our battery, check our water tanks to see where they're at. We've got a compressor fridge, which is an upside down, so fridge at the top, freezer at the bottom. And down the bottom, we've got another little storage area. After that, we come into the bathroom. So we have a concertina door to our bathroom. Up here we have a towel rail, ceramic basin. We have a 3.3 kilo cold water washing machine, which has been very popular. Toilet cassette. We've got a toothbrush holder, some more cupboards and drawer space. And in here we have a one-piece shower with LED lighting. So we still get people ringing us up asking about the very popular Jayco Journey. Well, that ended up being the Discovery. For the 50th anniversary, Jayco went and made some changes and improvements to the van. We are now running a one-piece composite ceiling and also one-piece walls. So we no longer have the boards and the joins running down them. We're also running a premium one-piece composite floor. This Jayco Discovery has a 2 years manufacturer's warranty and a 5-year structural warranty for a peace of mind for you. These are actually made in Australia. They're not flat packed in some other country and sent over here and then assembled. These are Australian made in Dandenong, Victoria, where they have been for the last 51 years. Thank you for watching this video. If you've got any questions, please drop them below. And if you can, come into the dealership, have a look and see what we've got on offer. Love to see you there. Thank you.